Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Lampara Para Pestaas Profesional is probably one of the most essential tools for any lash artist looking to elevate their craft, offering unparalleled precision and control for flawless application, ensuring your clients leave with stunning, long-lasting lashes that will make them feel confident and beautiful, making it a worthwhile investment for any serious professional. Number 5. ACMEZING Video Conference Lighting Kit. Introducing the ACMEZING Video Conference Lighting Kit, designed to make you look your best on any video call. It's the perfect solution for remote working and live streaming. Customize your lighting with 5 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels. Achieve the ideal look for any occasion, ensuring you always appear professional and polished. The unique ring light design creates soft, pleasing illumination that smooths shadows and minimizes skin imperfections. Look great on camera effortlessly. Easily attach it to your laptop, monitor, or desk with the stable clamp and flexible tripod. Mount it anywhere you need perfect lighting. Powered by any USB port, this light is incredibly convenient and portable. Its long cable ensures you can set it up wherever you go. You'll receive the ring light, clamp, tripod, and manual. We offer a 60-day refund and an 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This light offers a wide range of color temperatures and brightness levels, ensuring you always look your best. Its ring design softens shadows, and the stable clamp and flexible tripod provide versatile mounting options. If you need a professional and adaptable lighting solution for various video calls and streaming needs, this is a great choice. What people say. It's a professional eyelash lamp, perfect for detailed work. The lamp provides excellent lighting for lash application, ensuring precision. The design is functional and allows for easy adjustment of the light angle. Number 4. 6 LED ring light with tripod stand. Elevate your visual presence and look more beautiful and glorious in videos and photos. Make your social media posts more charming and achieve a perfect lighting effect for your YouTube content. Never struggle with insufficient indoor lighting again. Easily adjust the brightness up to 11 levels and choose from 3 color temperatures, white, warm yellow, and warm white, to suit any environment. Enhance your video recordings with added light that makes your features more stereoscopic and product details clearer. Attract more viewers and gain new fans with improved video quality. Achieve captivating, angel-like eyes in your selfies with the perfect illumination. This also comes with a universal phone stand that securely holds all sizes of mobile phones, including iPhones and Samsung devices. Complete your makeup application with ideal lighting and capture stunning selfies. The enhanced light ensures your makeup looks beautiful and generous, making you feel confident and radiant. What we like? Achieve the perfect illumination with 11 brightness levels and 3 color modes. This light is designed to enhance your appearance in videos and photos, making your content more engaging. If you're a content creator focusing on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and want to ensure your face and products are well lit, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has a very good design and is easy to use. The product works very well and has a good design. It is very professional and easy to use. Number 3. Sensyne 10 Ring Light with 50 Extendable Tripod. Introducing the ultimate lighting solution for creators. This versatile ring light and tripod combo is designed to elevate your photos and videos. Easily adjust the lighting to your preference with intuitive touch controls. Choose from 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels to perfectly match any scene. The adjustable phone holder securely grips almost any smartphone, ensuring your device stays in place, whether you're live streaming or recording. From tabletop to full height, the extendable tripod adapts to your needs. Its portable design makes it perfect for any creative endeavor. Take stunning selfies and group photos from a distance with a convenient Bluetooth remote. No app needed, just pair and shoot. Simply plug it in using a compatible power source for optimal performance. This essential tool is ready to enhance your content creation. What we like? Experience effortless control with its sensitive touch panel and a convenient wireless remote shutter. The extendable tripod offers great flexibility and height adjustment, making it suitable for various setups. If you are a photographer, vlogger, or TikToker who values ease of use and remote operation for capturing perfect shots, this light is ideal for you. What people say. The lamp is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels, which is great for different tasks. It's easy to assemble and feels sturdy once put together. The flexible gooseneck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it. Number 2. Cyezcor Video Conference Lighting Kit. Introducing the Cyezcor Video Conference Lighting Kit, designed to enhance your presence in any video call. Perfect for remote work, online learning, and streaming. Achieve your ideal look with adjustable color temperatures and brightness levels. Its 48 LED beads provide 10 W of illumination, ensuring your skin looks flawless in any environment. The ring design provides even light distribution, eliminating glare and shadows for a soft, natural look. It's versatile enough for work, streaming, makeup, and more. Easily attach it to your monitor with the stable clip design. You can adjust the angle and direction for optimal lighting, making it a portable and essential tool for your setup. Conveniently powered by any USB port, including your laptop, power bank, or charger. It's an eco-friendly lighting solution for your daily needs. We are committed to providing excellent after-sales service. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime for assistance. What we like. This light provides 3 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels to perfectly match your environment. Its clip-on design attaches securely to your monitor, and its compact size makes it highly portable. If you work remotely or frequently join video conferences and need a simple, effective, and easy-to-carry lighting solution, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The lamp has a flexible neck that allows for easy adjustment of the light angle. It provides bright, even lighting without harsh shadows, which is great for detailed work. The stable base ensures the lamp doesn't tip over, even when the arm is extended. Number 1. Clip-on ring light for video conference. Tired of dim lighting during important video calls? This clip-on ring light is designed to enhance your presence on camera. It provides clear, even illumination for any virtual meeting. Attaching it is a breeze thanks to the convenient clamp. Simply clip it onto your desk or computer monitor for instant lighting improvement. No complicated setup required. Achieve the perfect look with its adjustable settings. Choose from 3 different color temperatures and 10 dimming levels to suit your environment and mood. Get the ideal lighting every time. Beyond video conferencing, it's great for reading or other tasks requiring focused light. Its USB power makes it easy to use with your laptop or any USB power source. Make a great impression in every online interaction. This light ensures you always look your best, boosting your confidence and professionalism. Upgrade your setup today. What we like. Enjoy 3 color modes and 10 dimming levels for customized lighting. This versatile light features a clamp that can be used on a desk or as a ring light, offering flexibility for various tasks. If you need a multifunctional light for video conferencing, reading, or general desk use, and appreciate adjustable lighting options, this product will serve you well. What people say. The lamp provides excellent lighting for detailed work, making it easier to see every lash. Its adjustable arm and head allow for precise positioning, ensuring optimal illumination from any angle. The bright, cool-toned light is perfect for lash application, reducing eye strain during long procedures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.